division will give you the decimal value. Like if you do 5 by 2, you will get 2.5. If you do the floor division, you will get only quotient, discarding the remainder. If you want to do the power, like 2 to power 2, then you will use the exponential. So let's make programs. Right? To we will declare two variables equal to 5. Now we will perform this earth addition equal to that b b after that equal to that equal to b after that 1. Now we'll print addition 50 print and the there are the 15 addition to 10 plus 5 15. After that 10 minus 5 5 multiplication 550 2.0 it came na. When you will division, it will always give you the decimal point from 1. After that it is modulus. Modulus we basically find for the remainder. What remainder will it be? It will be give you 0. After that there is a floor division. You would now see the difference. Here normal division, here is floor division. After that the exponential, like power of 2 and 3 10 power of 5, it will like 10 into 10 into 10 times, it will be like that. So these are all our arithmetic operators, and basically you can say that uh, if you want to build your calculator with this, you can do like that. A equal to 8 equal to directly you can also do a plus b if you put a hashtag around your variable or something, it will comment out and it will not run. So Want to clear all of the above, you can use clear, will all clear 6 for the second number, it will give 25. So the calculation we can perform is then simple way. There to use the less line of code. If 60 our arithmetic operator. Now let's move comparison operators. What are the comparison operators? Comparison operators are used to compare two values, or it can be more than two values. These are the signs. Like if you want to compare either A or B are equal, so you can use double equal to sign, equal to exclamation, and equal to sign. They're less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. Okay? Check if the values of two operand are not equal. If the left operand is less than the right operand, like on the minimum in your number list. If you want to find the greater, then you will use this symbol. So for this use case are comparison operator, compare values, make decisions in your code. For example, in conditional statement or loops, you may use this operator to check condition and control the flow of your program. In next videos, we will learn conditional statement, loops, future videos. Okay, now take some variable equal to. First, we will check if the both values are equal. We will use this checking values are equal. Not we'll use double equal to equal result. We will not confuse here because I use the equal sign here. In parentheses, we put that type error. There is some keep false equal to, because x and y are not equal. For that, let's check about the less than. Is x less than y? Or print, it will print true because 5 is less than 10. Check about the greater one. It will give you the false because 10 not greater than 5. Okay, so similarly you can also do like an equal to, it will give result also, because not equal or then that give us false. These are our comparison operator which we can compare the values. The comparison operator. We'll go to the logical operator. Now what are logical operators? Logical operators perform logical operation on boolean values. These boolean are true or either false. We'll check. And means return true if both operands are true. Like x is also 5, y is also 5, and will say x and 5 are equal, it will give true value. If they are not equal, then we will use and if want to check if both operands are, means one of them will be true. Not means very well done the opposite boolean value. If you want to print true, it will give you false. If false is there, it will give true. And what are the use cases of it? Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions and make complex decisions. They are often used in conditional statements, if else and loops. We will further read about it. What are the main use? Combine multiple conditions, make use of it. Let's make equal to, we will say true. Let's check about the read about result. We will the result be, think about it, what it will give. And return true if both have friends are true. We know they are not equal. Will give false. Give you false because both are not true. Now check about or. But the or means that at least one of the operand is true. So we know or it will give the true value because one of them is a true value. Check about the not. Result to not be not, sorry, x. Here we will change the value. If x is true, it will give the false value. False. We do is false, it will give us the true. So these are the logical. Like for example, three values you want to compare. Two values are true and If false, it will, if like see the all values, it will print true because all three values equal, or uh, below is true values, also giving true value. So these are our the logical operators. Now we will talk about the assignment operators. What are assignment operators? Operators assign variables like equal to sign we are using now, giving the value x equal to true, y equal to true. For example, x equal to 5. So we are assigning 5 value to our variable x. So we will use the equal to sign. If you are doing y equal to 10, we are assigning 10 value to our variable y. Assignment operator is used to, and these are the some operations we used for to perform the corresponding operation and update the value left open. Like plus equal to will add the value, negative equal to degrade the value, and multiplication. Like we use these operators now. If we want to increase, decrease the value of the already given variable, so it will wait. Let's make some program for it. Three distant value of x 8, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. For that, you please add print printed, give us. So these are the some shortcut for answer difference. You do give, it will question 26. If you do 1, it will be 1. So these are the assignment operator. Here assignment operator are used to assign values to variables. They are the foundation of variable manipulation in Python and are used in various situations to update or modify variable. You will see some use cases of these in the our future program in control statement. After that, we have the bitwise operators. So bitwise operator perform bit level operation on integers. They are widely used in low level of program and situation where individual bits of integer need to be managed. So they commonly in related to where networking or optimization. Let we have membership operator. Membership, membership operator are used to test value is of a sequence like in and we have two operators in this, in and not in. In will do return true if a value is found in the sequence. Like if you are finding 5 in a list, okay, you have given some variable and you have made a list of it, 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to check is present in the list or not, in a sequence we can say that, okay, we will do 5 in like list, you are saying LST, we are saying 5 in LST, so it will true. If it's not in the value, then it's also false. If there is present, then true. If not present, then it will give the false value. See, operator I used to particular value exists in a sequence. Example list tuple string. In our next video, I will explain more about it. These are our data types. They are very useful. You need to search for a specific item in collections. Okay, I will just give you an example of it, and we will more read about list in our future videos. We will see. This is a list example of list. We will see. It will give you the true. Suppose 1 is present in, if you do 10, false. If you say 1 not in, then it will be false because 1 is present. If you like 10, we know the 10 is not present, so 10 not in first, so it will give you true. Yes, because 10 is not present in the list. So these are our membership operators. Now we will talk about last operator, that are identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the identity of the object, like if they are true is or is not. Return true if both operands are the same object, and is not means the return true if both the operands are different objects. Like if you have say x is 1 2 3, okay, and y is also 1 2 3, what it will give? It will give the, so what are the use? What are use identity? So they are used when you want to, if two variables are referenced the exact same memory, in they are the different one. Okay, if you want to check the particular value, you will use the membership operators. If you want to see the exact same object in memory, okay, in the memory it is present or not, so you will use the identity operator. Now we will see some example of identity operator. It's like 1 1 comma, you will see they are the same list. Okay, but you print, will print, will give you false, so they are stored in a different memory location. Is if you do x in y, okay, for example, the false, because they are on different memory location. If is not, will give true value because they are not at the same location. Let's say example a b equal to, now we will print this b. It will give you the true. Suppose v 5 is assigned to a and a is assigned to b, so the both are equal, so it will give us the true value. If you do is not, false. Example, a and b are two variables. B is assigned to the value of a, means both uh, both variable now reference the same object in the memory. So is operator will return true because it's the copy of a. So these are operators. You can read first. We then the arithmetic operators. That we have comparison operator. That logical operator. Assignment operators. That bitwise operator. And identity. Bitwise operator are not that so important. Other ones we will use multiple times in our program. Arithmetic operator in comparison, like you will use in if else condition. Logical operator also talk about the multiple conditions. Assignment operator and sometime membership operator also. So in next video we will talk about data type in Python. Okay, till next time.